All RTX 5070 Ti's deliver similar FPS. The real differences are in cooling, acoustics, size, and price. And on that balance, the gaming trio OC Plus nails it. MSI's Trifrozer 4 cooling with Torque's 5.0 fans pushes plenty of air quietly. The heatsink is big enough to keep hotspots under control, but not so massive that it becomes a headache to fit. In independent testing, this card consistently comes out as one of the coolest and quietest 5070 Ti's on the market. That means no thermal throttling, quiet operation, and stable boost clocks even in extended gaming sessions. Size is another win. It's still a 3-fan card, but it isn't the monster the RS Master is. That makes it much easier to fit in standard mid-tower cases without airflow headaches or interference with front-mounted AIO coolers. And then there's the price positioning. Unlike the Strix, which usually comes with a heavy premium, or the RS Master, which tends to sit at the very top end, the gaming trio OC Plus is typically more reasonable. You're not overpaying for flashy extras you may not care about, but you're still getting excellent thermals and acoustics. For most people, that balance of performance, practicality, and value makes it the best all-around choice. If you want MSI's absolute flagship, the Vanguard SoC is the step up. It adds a vapor chamber baseplate and even beefier cooling, and many reviewers call it one of the coolest and quietest 5070 Ti's you can buy. But here's the catch. You're only gaining a few degrees of cooling and a touch less fan noise, while paying a noticeably higher price. For most buyers, that's not worth it. The Gaming Trio OC Plus gives you 95% of that flagship experience in a card that's easier to find and easier to fit. It delivers the best total package. Excellent cooling, quiet acoustics, manageable size, and fair pricing. It's the card you can recommend to almost anyone pairing with a 5070 Ti and know they'll have a reliable, well-rounded experience.